let's go to IKEA today. Welcome back. Today we're going to do something that I've wanted to do for a really long time, and actually a couple of you have suggested it since I've been in Seoul, and that is to go to IKEA. I'm not entirely sure if it's going to be any different from IKEA everywhere else in the world. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say not really, but I still want to see it anyway, and I'm actually going because I want to pick up a few things for some projects that I'm working on with my friend Sujin at her place. We're doing up a couple of bedrooms, so I'm looking for either DIY supplies or styling props, and if I can't find anything, at least let's go and have a little look around together. IKEA is so far away, so I'm gonna wrap up warm and get ready to go. What's the temperature in Seoul right now?
In Seoul, it's currently -2 degrees. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -6.
I can see it. We're here. We've made it. I know what I want to buy, but let's go have a look around the showroom first and see what we can find. Oh, look at this kitchen. I would like this to be my kitchen. Thank you very much. I really love the lights and the plants. Do you notice something's missing? There's no oven. I've not seen a single oven in Korea. Oh wait, no. There it is. I stand corrected. Is it a microwave oven? Maybe. I really love this couch. It's green corduroy and it looks so comfortable, and it's about 600,000 won. Let's sit on it. This is so comfy. I wouldn't actually mind getting this couch when I move. I feel like I could fall asleep on this couch. That's a sign of a good couch. And I love how they've styled it with pink cushions. I also really like this rug. This kind of yellowy green is one of my favorite colors, and it's really inexpensive too. I might come back for you one day. I love the door fronts they've made for these. I feel like people were DIYing them so much. IKEA stepped in and just made them. This is the Besta cabinet. Looks nice. Wait, look at this. Wow. Oh my god, I love this. Wait until you see this showroom. This is beautiful. This is definitely different in Korea. I love this unit. This is a TV console and it looks like it's new. I actually really like that. That's very pretty. Oh look, they have all these different cabinet doors. Wow. I feel like they've really upped their game with the customization. I think this one's my favorite. I take it back. I want this kitchen. Look at it. This one's definitely missing an oven though. The tiles are so pretty with the cabinets. So far, not much different from regular IKEA anywhere else. But I did love that one showroom. That was so pretty. This one behind me is so beautiful. They've made it into the traditional Hanok style of house in the showroom. This might be my favorite thing I think I've ever seen in IKEA. The dream! Look how many golden retrievers are in here. That's how many golden retrievers I need in my life. I'm ready to find the marketplace now, but this is such a big IKEA. There's just so much to look at. Let's go and find the marketplace. Perfect timing. It's about 4 p.m. and I need some lunch. What's on the menu? Okay, they have kimchi fried rice. I might get some veggie balls. Plant bulgogi fried rice. Maybe that's like vegan bulgogi? I want to try that. And a soft drink. Let's go. We have vegetables. I probably should have tried like the kimchi rice or something, but I eat that stuff every week. So I got the veggie balls and the fries, and honestly it kind of tastes like home. I really like it. Okay, so we have done the showrooms and there are a few nice surprises. We've done eating at the cafe, which had some differences in the food available. Now let's go down to the marketplace so I can pick up some stuff for these DIYs. Wait, I kind of want this. I don't need it. Put it back, put it back. Where did it come from? I'm on a mission to find that daisy pillow. Where are they? No, I can't see it. That's so weird. There's only one. I have to leave it behind because I don't need it, but I just want to show you how cute it is. And it's reversible. Oh, love that. I need one of these for a DIY. We'll get that. I really like these. I think if you were stuck for a headboard, you could probably put some of these together and make a really nice one. Then just trim off the excess on the edges. That would look really cool. You get 9 in a pack. I'm nearly done, but before I go, let's go and look in the bargain section. I think these are for armchairs, but they make really good lumbar pillows. She's back from IKEA. I thought let's do a little haul. Why not? And show you what I picked up. This ginormous bag is full of stuff that I got for makeover, which I'm doing with my friend Sujin. I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. It'll be out in a few weeks time, but I also wanted to do some DIY IKEA hacks and get some styling bits. So none of this stuff is for me. I picked up a blanket, which was one of the things I was looking for because I'm going to upholster something that Sujin already has. The one I originally picked up was really nice, but then I saw this one on sale for half the price. This was like 9,000 something won. So I picked up the blanket because fabric is really expensive. So sometimes if you're going to upholster something, if you can find a blanket, that is one of the best ways to do it. I need some scissors because I don't actually have any, and these are for the upholstering. I got them in the bargain section. 2001, £1.30-ish. I'm not gonna do the conversion because I think you're gonna get bored of that. My brain's gonna get bored of that, but scissors. We all know what IKEA prices are, right? Yeah. I got this vase, soap dishes for a DIY project. With those, I picked up the matching wooden cup, toothbrush holder. I think so. It's got a drain at the bottom. This is for DIY project. And these are really quite nice. Like, I would quite like to have these in my bathroom. Battery operated click lights. I got 2 of these. Need to get the batteries for those ASAP. A lid.
I picked this up in the bargain section. This was 2001 again. This is obviously for like the top of a glass canister or something, but I thought this might make a nice catch-all dish at Soojin's place, and it's just a cheap and easy but a quite nice looking styling prop. Another few styling props for Soojin's place. 2 baskets, because her mom has a lot of plant pots that Soojin wants to paint, but I'm worried that her mom might not want us to paint them. I'm not entirely sure. So I've thought about the option of maybe just putting some of them in these little baskets. Also, it kind of switches things up a little bit. We'll probably paint a few and then put some of the nice ones in the baskets so that they still fit the vibe, but we don't get in trouble. Big glass jar for a project from the bargain section, 2,900. Lazy Susan. I need to do some kind of bedside table, so we're gonna use this as the tabletop. 2 cheap rugs that I'm gonna upcycle. These are the really inexpensive ones that you can find in IKEA. They always have the best mini rugs, and they make for great fabric to upholster things with. You can turn them into cushions, you can turn them into tapestries. You can do so much. So I got 2 of those. The massive bag is gonna come in handy to transport all of this stuff, but also I'm gonna use this to put like some of my bedding, like my cushions, my coats and stuff in when I go back to the UK. I'm just gonna store it all in this bag. I hate moving, I hate it. And because I'm being mindful of what I'm buying for myself, because I'm moving around, I only got 1 fun thing for myself and a couple of boring items, but they're useful. So I got some cushions, which I fell in love with when I went into IKEA. The first one are these green girly cushions. This is my favorite color. This exact color of green. It's kind of like olive green, but it's a little bit brighter than a dusky olive green. Oh, I love it. And they're so affordable. So I got 2 of those because I thought that it would look nice in the background, because my background is ugly. So a little pop of colour isn't going to hurt, but I kind of want to keep these in the package so that they're easy to store, and I also don't want to have to buy the inserts right now until I come back. So, but I'm really pleased because this is like the first thing that I bought with my new life in mind, because as you might know, I'm in the process of figuring out a big international move, probably to Korea. Just got to get everything finalized, and I'm kind of like manifesting this is gonna happen because that's the best way forward. So I'm getting a few things. I'm excited because I haven't bought home decor items in a really long time. So it just kind of feels like maybe my period of instability in life will soon come to an end. I don't know. It's just like a little signifier in my brain, like, exciting times ahead. Speaking of fun times ahead, I got 2 more cushions. These are kind of like Sherpa style fabric, and I wasn't expecting to see something quite like this in IKEA. They're kind of cool. I really like them, and I just couldn't leave them behind. I think they're about 7,900 won. I don't know, I'm gonna guess that's like £5 something. £5.30. I said that with such confidence, I wonder what it actually is. And I thought that together they looked really nice. I don't know, maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. I shouldn't get ahead of myself, but those are my fun items. My less fun items, maybe to other people actually, but not to me. To me, this is actually quite exciting because I love organization. I got some boxes. I picked up these on my way out. I got 2 of these. These are just clear plastic boxes. And while I'm on the road, organization is so important to me. So these are perfect because they have divided compartments. So this I'm going to use for my makeup. And I got another one that I'm going to use for my tech things, like all my SD cards and my camera equipment. Because I just like how it had different sizes. So there's a size for everything. This is actually probably one of the best storage things that I've ever seen in IKEA. And you heard that from a Virgo sun with a Virgo Mercury. So you know it's a fact. God, I love astrology. Anyway, I also got 2 of these boxes for storing the stuff I said I was going to store in that bag. Why did I need that bag? That was an afterthought because I found these, and these are more practical. The bag will be used. I'm going to carry the stuff to Soojin's place. These are 2 fabric storage boxes, but they pop up and they actually have like wire inside them. Let me show you. I got the bigger size because I just thought it was only like a little bit extra for more storage. They look like this, and they have actually a zip compartment in the front, so you can just unzip it and reach in and grab what you want, as well as go from the top. If we unzip the top, oh, this is chaos, hold on. You can see there's wire inside, right? I did this with the other one already, huh? You just have to like, I've got it. Heh, she's got it, I've done it. You just like arrange them and like, you just like push it into place. You push it in a little bit better than that, but then it makes the box nice and sturdy. So that's gonna be for my coats, shoes, clothes, everything I need to put in storage for a month or two. You know I love putting stuff in boxes. If living on the road has taught me anything, it's actually that I love putting stuff in boxes. Like, it's so therapeutic. Love it. Anyway, but yeah, that was IKEA in Korea. Let me know if there are any differences in the IKEA near you, or if you've been to an IKEA somewhere else in the world and you're kind of surprised by something they had. I would love to know about that in the comments below. And maybe when I'm traveling around in this next upcoming year, we can go to a few IKEAs together in different places. I don't know, that could be fun. Just have a look. That's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow my TikTok. I'm posting a lot more over there. I'm doing loads of different things over there too, so follow that if you haven't already. It's Bottle Ginger. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a brilliant day, week, month, year, and I will see you next time. Bye!